Nomenclature of carboxylic acids. What are carboxylic acids? Compounds containing COOH group are carboxylic acids. In IUPAC system, the name of a saturated monocarboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. In IUPAC system, the name of saturated monocarboxylic acid is alkanoic acid. Means last letter E of an alkane is replaced by oic acid. Last letter E of an alkane is replaced by oic acid. Let us see few examples now. CH3, CH, 2CHBr, COOH. Always numbering should be from the first carbon atom. That means the carboxylic carbon will be the first carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So root word is but. Butane. Last letter E should be replaced by oic acid, butanoic acid. But what is there on the side chain? What is there on the side chain? It is bromo. So it is 2-bromo butanoic acid. This is the name of the compound. This is a saturated monocarboxylic acid. Let us take one unsaturated monocarboxylic acid and name CH3, CH, double bond CH, COOH. If you take this compound, again the root word is but because there are 4 carbon atoms. The root word is but. So what is the name of this compound? But 2-ene oic acid. The common name of this compound is crotonic acid. Now let us take one more compound. C6H5, CH, double bond CH, COOH. Let us take this compound. In this compound, if you see 1, 2, 3, root word is prop. So, prop 2-ene oic acid. But there is substituent on the third carbon atom. What is the substituent? Phenyl group. So it is 3-phenyl propanoic acid. 3-phenyl prop 2-ene oic acid. The common name of this compound is cinnamic acid. The common name of this compound is cinnamic acid. That is about monocarboxylic acids. Means having only one COOH group. So far we learned how to name monocarboxylic acids in IUPAC system. Now let us see how to name dicarboxylic acids. Dicarboxylic acids. Most of the aliphatic dicarboxylic acids are known by their common names. For example, COOH, COOH. The name of this compound is oxalic acid. Common name of this compound is oxalic acid. Now, COOH, CH2, COOH. This is second compound, first compound. Second compound is, common name is melanic acid. Now let us take one more compound. Then this compound is succinic acid. Now another compound. This is fourth compound. The name of the compound is glutaric acid. Okay, let us first write the names of these compounds. I want to explain one more compound, fifth compound, CH2, 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 COOH. Now, if there are only two COOH groups, then what is the common name? Oxalic acid. In between two COOH groups, if there is only one CH2, it is malonic acid. If there are two CH2 groups in between COOH groups, then it is succinic acid. If there are three CH2 groups, glutaric acid. And if there are four CH2 groups, then it is adipic acid. So, most of the aliphatic dicarboxylic acids are known by their common names. So, if only two COOH groups are there, oxalic acid. In between two COOH groups, if CH2 is there, malonic acid. Two CH2s are there in between two COOH groups, then it is succinic acid. If there are three CH2 groups between COOH, it is glutaric acid. If there are four CH2 groups, it is adipic acid. And what is the IUPAC name of oxalic acid? Ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Dioic acid. Dioic acid. And what about malonic acid? Propane 1,2 dioic acid. Succinic acid IUPAC name is butane 1,4 dioic acid. Malonic acid IUPAC name is propane 1,3 dioic acid. Then succinic acid common name is butane 1,4 dioic acid. Glutaric acid common name is pentane 1,5 dioic acid. Adipic acid common name is hexane 1,6 dioic acid. That is how we name dicarboxylic acids in IUPAC system. Oxalic acid is ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Malonic acid is propane 1,3 dioic acid. Succinic acid is butane 1,4 dioic acid. Glutaric acid is pentane 1,5 dioic acid. Adipic acid is hexane 1,6 dioic acid. That is about the nomenclature of